The purpose of the I Am Peace Award is to honor those committed to promoting peace and resilience. By recognizing these efforts, the award aims to inspire others to engage in peace-building initiatives and highlight the transformative impact of tranquility on personal and community development. This award can significantly impact by, number one, showcasing effective peace-building and stress management practices. Number two, encouraging community members to value and pursue inner calm and resilience. Number three, providing recognition and support to peace advocates who often work behind the scenes. And number four, demonstrating to all of us the vital role of peace in community empowerment. Nominate a hero at higherselfawards.org.
Tehu Community Development. 0% interest business startup loans for terms of 12 to 18 months. Visit us at tehucommunity.com or call us at 877-702-2228. Your business is our priority.